The market breadth remains dodgy as well. Now we're getting used to these days wherein mid-caps take a pounding of 10, 12, 15%. It's pretty much become a norm every single day. Sure enough, musical chairs. So a lot of different stocks come in every now and then. But yeah, it's looking fairly dodgy for the broader markets too. Over 0.5% for the Nifty, and a large portion of the fall coming in after the IP numbers and the CPI numbers more importantly came out. But the market breadth too is fairly adverse for a second day in a row. Should pull up the advanced decline ratio for you and just show you. Mind you, we were close to 4:1 in favor of the declines yesterday, and the market breadth picture will come up in a moment from now. Close to 2:1 in favor of the declines again, so it's not looking fairly rosy. What's pulling the index down? Well, the usual suspects, aside of maybe IT, almost all the other stocks would have a bit of a push. Autos have had a really bad day today, with Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto really leading the charts. Call it the talk of a new competitor launching a motorcycle, or just the rate-sensitive weakness that we're seeing. Coal India is down 3%, Axis Bank down 3% as well. So lots of these large caps are weak in the session, falling apart too.
Falling, and how, and you spoke of mid-caps that we're accustomed to seeing these kind of big cracks, but now we're also getting accustomed to seeing some of those stalwarts like a JSPL also see massive cracks. And take a look at what's happening to the broader markets as we speak. A deep gash coming into both those indices, as we've been pointing out. It's the market breadth that has remained fairly adverse, and those are some of the key culprits today, unnerving the way these counters are falling. Titan Industries now 14% off at 205. We've slipped below 19,000 also for a bit on the Sensex.
Yeah,